Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting one of those options at the bottom, Pictures or Albums. Either way, after you decided, just hold one of your photos that you wish to delete. And to pick multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top left corners. Now to exclude some photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, hit delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!